Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Blessed love guys, good morning. So welcome to another video of Kingston Life in Jamaica. Guys, please remember to put the thumbs up whenever you're watching Kingston Life in Jamaica. Please remember, put the thumbs up. You put it up yet? You. I'm waiting. Din, 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 din. Dun 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 dun. Did you put the thumbs up? Thank you so much for putting the thumbs up. Thank you. Yes guys, so I'm here to pick up a package. You know, a package has arrived, you know, but so right here I'm in the shopping center here on Kingston Spring Road. Yes, it's Kingston Spring Road. So where you got everything you can think of, you know, but I also needed to pay my flow bill. Yes, so I need to pay my flow bill, you know, so stay tuned guys. Remember, thank you so much for watching Kingston Life in Jamaica. Berger Color Shop. Right, flow. Pay your bill, pay your bill, pay your bills. Ooh. Alright, so bill pay. You know, the bill pay, so God damn, did someone turn the sun up? Please turn it down. The sun turned right up. No, this is not fair. The sun need to turn down on these foreign fruits. Lessons, my general. Want something to wash off my heart. Want something to wash off my heart.
Oh, jelly?
I tell you wash off my heart.
Wash off hard.
So all wash off hard. Wait to clean off the dirt off of it or whatsoever.
Yeah.
Yes, sleep a shelter.
Kind of protect the fruits and everything.
Oh, the sun.
Yeah. After me have to see the sun, man.
Yeah. So if that little breeze that blow it off, imagine burial. Hey. Him said the only thing wash off heart is jelly. Wash off piece of your heart. Get a bag up, bag up. Wash off your heart, wash off your heart. In the morning, wash off your heart. Passport office over there. But anyway, I'm a YouTuber here, Kingston Life in Jamaica. Oh. You can check it out here.
When you?
Kingston Life in Jamaica.
Okay.
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Okay.
Life in Jamaica. See passport office there. Next thing are the visa. The visa. What that? On the big. Sweet.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you know you not taste it?
Yeah. It's the mature.
Mature, Mr. Wagwan. So you that jelly mature in it.
The whitest Lincoln liquor bullshit!
I want enough sweet salad. That good thing?
Well, our jelly good, you know. That me know of, our jelly. Long as that jelly, you can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong.
More mature, more of a sweet. But the younger, they are better.
Anyway, mature, what do you think on it?
They get rougher.
Rough.
Hard, them things get hard.
Oh,
Hard look.
the skin gets.
No, 15 days.
Skin look shrivel up. It looks shrivel up, but it's tough.
Yeah.
It looks shrivel up, but it's tough. You know, like your skin shrivel up, but this is the tough type of shrivel. You know, shrivel the skin. Well, it's a really full belly. So that is it. Why one good enough? Can't go more. I'll start. Then if you call it wash up, they call it full belly.
Yeah.
As you drink them thing, their belly full. Much for it. I'll start. As you drink it, their belly full.
Yeah, you got a belly full.
Yeah, respect, yeah? Runners. Well, I want the full belly passport office. If you don't have your passport, go and get your passport. Hello. You don't swap the jelly for the Starbucks?
The jelly no more healthy.
Alright. I'm just ask somebody that she not swap her Starbucks for the jelly.
Oh.
So you don't swap the jelly for the Starbucks, right?
Because it's more healthier.
Alright, so stick to the jelly and leave the Starbucks. Yeah? Alright then, you see? You know, because the Starbucks not healthy like the jelly. So at least I'm feeling much healthier now. Rolling from Kingston Spring Road. And there's a Starbucks there. You know? Over there to the passport office. I hope everyone go get their passport because them say the government will give you a free visa for 1 week. So imagine that line there for 1 week. I'm just joking still, but imagine if them say them giving away a visa for 1 week. Just imagine the embassy line. You with a face. Oh, go on in this morning. I mean, now like the sun is frying. If I was an egg, I would have just fried right now. You know, that's a good thing we drink the jelly. So I'm gonna get shrivel up. Shrivel the skin. Quartz. All quartz do is lend you and you owe. And you have to pay your bill. If you don't pay your bill, you know what time it is. If you don't pay your bill, Wendy's. Wendy's or jelly? Which one you rather? Is Wendy's there or the jelly? Wendy's or banana? Which one you rather? You have Ming cuisine over there, Chinese. So it's either Ming cuisine or the breadfruit. You know? I know. Which one is it? Pizza or pineapple? Which one? Pizza or pineapple? You know someone that say, yo, I like more pizza, but I would choose the pineapple. No, like the jelly done something to me this morning, yeah. I need a bulb right now. Yes, I also need a bulb for my kitchen. Sorry, need a bulb for my kitchen.
get some food. Just give her the can. Can you help me to get some food, please? Just give her the food. Can you help me to get some food? Water hydrant. See there, water is for life, but I need some food.
Yeah, promote rapid true value?
Yes. And you're paying me to eat some food.
So you promote them and them not promote you?
Oh, well, I'm just working freely for God and His people. That's
okay.
Oh, thank you. Contribute. Thank you very much.
You're
and
welcome.
remember, True Value is open. Keep shopping. And right there, 11 Charlton Road. Right there, lanes. Yes, come outside. Let me show you.
Hey.
H&L Rapid True Value Hardware. That is it. Okay.
This
and
is-
this is it. True Value H&L Rapid True Value Hardware. H hardware.
I hope they're paying you.
H&L Rapid True Value Hardware Club, Ace Hardware is open. Keep shopping. Lorna Angela Muir, Water Hydrant Fountain, Kingston, Jamaica, West Indies, the western side of the Caribbean. Keep shopping, turn it on. And that's Lane Plaza. What is the light? What is the light? 14 parishes in Kingston, Jamaica, West Indies. Little can turn on light and water, light and water. Light is the light. What is the light? Every little thing needs light and water.
Light and
Turn on
water.
water and light. Light it up, turn it up. Water and light, light and water.
I don't need to hire.
Okay, so push and entry.
Where's the manager? Is the manager in there, miss? All right, I need to go speak to the manager.
Push and entry.
All right, so the manager
is
need to
open. Thank you for
the
shopping.
manager need to hire you.
11 Charlton Road, Townhouse 4. Without the door, without the water.
Hey.
Keep shopping. Water hydrant fountain. Going into the mill. Push and entry. Keep shopping. Water is for life. Thank you for giving to me money to buy food. Contribute.
Can't contribute. But listen, they
Have
need
both
to.
water and beverage. Water is for life.
Hey,
Keep drinking.
what is your name so I can go and recommend you?
No. My name is Water Hydrant Fountain. Going in there. You go now.
They need to hire you guys. They need to hire.
Thank you for telling me.
Yes, they need to hire. You like it?
No.
You like it?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
We're going to clean up that for you to look like me in the sun hot.
Yes, it looks so beautiful.
So have both water and beverage. Both water and beverage. Beverage is good. Water is for life. Have all three. But food and
Water or jelly? Which one is better?
both of them. Water is for life. Jelly is good. Beverage is good. Have both water and beverage.
Water or jelly? Which one is better?
Water is for life.
Jelly.
Beverage is good.
See,
Beverage
jelly.
is good. Water is for life. Keep drinking. Keep
Correct.
drinking.
Jelly better, right?
He create.
Jelly a natural plant from God.
Yes, and the water is natural.
Yes. Jelly for you.
Okay, water for me.
Water for you.
life. Water for you.
Jelly for me. So,
Okay, have a great day. Bless you.
alright, thank you so much. Alright.
Thank you too.
Alright, then God bless you. I'm gonna go speak to the manager so they hire you. Sam's uncle.
Have a great day now. Water is for life. Water is for life.
All right.
Have both water and beverage.
Hey, tell the manager I'm coming to speak to them. What I go on? Can't miss the head back, you know. Everything good? You know who I talk to you?
Yeah, man, from down from the third.
Alright, then cool. The machine at work?
No.
Hey. Alright. So let me go speak to this manager. Alright, but anyway, I need a bulb. Let me go get a bulb, quick for fast. Water's life, jelly is good. Water for life, jelly for good.
Water is for life. Keep drinking. Have both water and beverage. Have all three. We're drinking the lustrous water.
Thank you.
Dessert is good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dessert is good. You can get a full package of dessert. If not,
Ooh, yeah. I need bulb. Rapid True Value. They need to hire that lady. You know? Whoa. Hello. Is the manager here?
Somebody's here, yeah?
Oh. Cause the lady were outside were promote Rapid True Value. Why don't we give her a job? What do you think?
I mean, giving her a job?
Yes, because she's already doing a wonderful job telling about Rapid True Value, this and that. So what's going on?
Well, that is something from management. But I
Yeah.
tell you what, I know that person is not only here, should be for a lot of places. That she does always does.
Okay.
So it's not for really here only that she
I'm
does
surprised
stuff.
because me I say, well, she's doing a good job out there, boy.
Yeah. Yeah, she does.
Cornell. Alright, yeah? It's a bulb now. Cornell, so that lady do a wonderful job. I need a bulb for my kitchen. Well, rapid through while the price them gone up rapid. Not even lying. The price them was okay. The price gone up rapid. Move along, rapid through value. Price them go up rapidly. Very rapid. So over. That living food juice. Plant-based cuisine. See a plant-based cuisine here? What time is it? I never know about this place. Plant-based cuisine. Are you bloated? Dizziness? So you can come check out here. Creative, vibrant, and organic food. Oh, someone have to come check this out. Definitely one day. Greetings. This new, right?
Oh, sir, we're here about 5 years.
So the first man I see this place. Alright.
How are you?
I'm good. Pause. Like I'm in here, I come check it out.
No problem.
I'm a vegetarian anyway, so. What enough on the menu? Like all veggie chunks and them things?
No, don't do nothing processed. Nothing processed.
Nothing processed?
No.
Everything.
Don't do beans and vegetables.
Black beans?
Yeah, red peas, chickpeas.
Okay. Alright, then I'm gonna come check it out tomorrow. I come know. I walk and I vlog and so I go on, you know? Yeah.
Okay. So what's your blogger page?
How can I meet that? What that? I look on.
Jackfruit.
A jackfruit there?
Yeah.
My blogger page is Keen on Life in Jamaica.
Oh yeah, I'm right.
Yes.
Jamari, give me some paper that make him write. Write it down for me. I can follow you.
Write it now.
Trim of the paper, trim of the paper.
Right. Kino. Life in Jamaica. There's Kino Life in Jamaica. So, what about the cakes then?
So they're raw fermented nut cheesecakes.
Pardon?
Raw fermented nut cheesecakes. There's cashew cream, so no dairy.
No dairy. So in a process now? That in a process?
Not processed.
Not in a process in here? Damn. You not got tired for some of face in here then?
Okay.
Jackfruit.
Hi, greetings. What's up?
Want to try something?
I will do cold press juices, no water added, no sweetener.
What kind of juice?
Cold press. No water added, no sweetener.
Cold press.
Cold press juices.
What kind of juice that?
No water added, no sweetener. Huh?
The burger can give me.
Jerk.
Yes, whatever.
And the
The
bird?
black one?
What's the difference? One is a high protein.
It's a combination of beans. It also has quinoa.
The burger?
But that one is not spicy.
No, explain. There's a burger.
It's a burger patty, yeah.
Quinoa on the side?
Quinoa inside of it.
Kino?
Quinoa.
Oh, what else?
Beans. It's a combination of beans with the quinoa. Make a patty.
Burger one is just beans. The bread is what color? Burger what color? Black?
But it's just not spicy.
alright. You won't eat over there, yeah?
Huh?
You can try it, man.
You can try it, man.
So, carry on. Guys, this is something new I have to come and try. Because we eat so much already, you know.
Try that juice.
Alright then, what kind of
It's
juice?
cold pressed juice is no water added, no sweetener.
So what kind of juice we can try? Which one?
You can do the watermelon. Melon is a good drink for me, natural pineapple. Good drink for me.
I go football training now, I mean, I want something with energy. I just drink coconut water. So
Take one fruit dry that's smoothie then. Get something with energy.
what's in that?
Oats, barley.
See, I can't, the oats I got bloated me out. No, I can't go play football, I have oats now. I'm going to try the melon juice then, come. So you are? Tasha. And after the store you are? Supervisor? Manager? Okay, manager. So manager, I can give your store a shout out and tell them where to come.
You know, we can't manage you.
So manager, just give your store a shout out and tell them where you're located and where to come and what to expect. And then come here.
Okay.
Brush off.
Where's the brush off of you?
For the shine is more your brush off. Brush off the shine is, yes. Just act like there's no camera. So tell them exactly where we are and what we have here.
Alright, so this is Living Food and Juices. We're at shop number 2, Lane Plaza, off Gunson Spring Road. We're a plant-based restaurant.
Plant-based.
They have cold pressed juices, smoothies, shots, meals, raw cakes, baked cakes. Come on down.
So it's all live food.
All we do cook as well.
You cook?
Yeah.
Okay.
We do raw.
Okay, so guys, I know I'm gonna come live in here, you know, so I'm gonna look after me and give my discount. I'm joking. Yeah, we're gonna live in here.
And they can reach us, they can call and place the order at 876-857-7887.
So everything is from plant-based.
Plant-based. No dairy, no flesh.
Nothing to make your belly go brrr, brrr, brrr. Okay, so let me try
We
it.
also offer cleanse.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay,
So you can speak with the herbal physician, Carrie Coots.
Okay. The cleanser and everything, blood cleanser, everything.
Yeah, blood cleanse.
So if you're feeling type of dizziness, you feel some type of way.
Just come on down and speak with Carrie.
Okay. So is it within this building or is close by?
within
This building. Now go on with things, man. So that means you're most healthy.
Yes.
Yeah, what, 19? If you eat healthy, your age you're supposed to show. So you're almost 19.
I'm almost 50.
Serious? You're lying.
No.
No, she's lying. For real? And look like you're in your 30s. Are you a vegetarian or vegan? Which one is it?
You know, honestly, I'm not fully.
Fully?
I try to eat
Healthy?
healthy.
How long have you been eating healthy now?
4 years.
4 years? No, but seriously. No, man. I don't believe it. I have to see your age paper. My ID. This has been so 50. Where you look here?
Thank you.
So this is what you eat on a regular basis? Since 4 years. 4 years now. So when you say so 50, is it close like 48, 49? Lying. Guys, you believe that? Imagine I'm here and I'm shocked. You know? Serious.
Your health is your wealth.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. That's true. That's true.
I want to eat healthy. Well,
well, me a vegetarian, you know.
and look how you look.
Yeah. All right. But you they say you're almost in them 50 range, right? I like the look because that's what I'm gonna see myself then. Because if you look so, you look like in your 30s. Because people always say me look very young, and people say I look very young for my age as well too. You know, and people say I look young for my age. See? So health is the right way of life. It's the wealth. So you know, more with the money. Yeah, if I got my health, it's all wealth. You know, and I'm good. So we're on the same boat. You know, we're on the same boat, boy. So I feel good. At least I know how I look when I'm almost 50 and 50. I'm going on 60.
Of course.
So what about you feel any pain anywhere? When last you're sick? You're sick? When last you're sick? Long time, right? Same.
I'm not bored.
I'm not bored. Same thing with me, not bored. Because a long time I'm not sick. You know, the whole thing was slight get almost a headache for a minute
Right,
or
so
two.
you get a little, right.
Yeah.
But apart from that, nothing.
Nothing at all, you know, nothing. But even though I'm a do charity, so sometimes we work so hard, people say, "Keen, you need for rest and little things."
Maybe
you
it's
know?
the rest too, because when we need rest,
Yeah, so sometimes it's that big woozy and them little thing, but I'm always good and up and running, you know. So guys, remember, leave the meat and get the fruit. And get the fruit.
Yeah.
You know, because them as I was like, you know, you look so young and look now. Testimonial right here, almost. So I'm gonna try the melon juice. Even though I just drink one big bowl of jelly, eat too much fruits and everything. But yes, this is gonna be my spot.
Alrighty.
Alright.
Come tomorrow, come serve a melon juice.
Juice. So these are the juice them over here. We got them in jars. So you have green juice, watermelon. So, oh, so I'm getting the jar as well? The jar is for sale.
If you're dining, they could sit and have it in it. Go with what?
Yeah. So I could I get the jar as well?
No.
Oh God. It's so nice if you get in the jar each time you buy a juice.
No, we can't afford it.
And the glass jar, you go with a nice. Yeah. You have to sell a juice for 5,000.
Yeah, that's depends on how much we do. So we have juice up to 1,800. Like if I buy the juice, that's nice.
So which one the juice is for 1,800?
Sorry,
Saran pan. So these juices no water added.
no water added in the sweetener.
No sweet. Everything extract from natural fruits. See there. Hot feet, you got a problem, you know. Because now I buy my juice from first and hot feet, you know. And this no hot feet, no water added. This is all melon. Well, there's a lot of melon.
Skin and everything.
What? Skin and everything. Natural.
Nothing blended, it's all full breath.
Natural. What is natural viral? The last time I got a YouTuber friend, right? She said she went to visit this Rastaman. Right? And all day she was gonna stay here as well because I guess the Rastaman like her. So you know, she been there and the Rastaman been eating so many melon, even down to the white part, the skin and everything. And she's like, no, I have to go because it's Rastaman. No, it's gonna. Oh, that's the burger.
Yeah.
So what you use for the bun?
So we use spell flow.
Spell flow.
Activated charcoal with spell flow. Okay, so spell flow is a light flow.
Very light.
Yeah, very light. That's what vegans use.
Okay. And we say about the charcoal.
So it's activated charcoal.
Yeah. And charcoal is good for you as well too.
Yes, and you know charcoal detoxing.
Yeah. God damn boy, only of them could have seen her in real life. You know, probably two of them I see her on camera. But guys, if you see her in real life, me I tell you, and she said she's almost 50, I couldn't even believe, you know. Like you just leave high school. You know? Why? I said I'm glad my LT, you know. Why? So how long have you been working here?
4 years.
4 years. Okay.
This place is open for 5 years.
For 5 years. So sooner or later you're gonna continue to take over of your own place or something. Of course. You're gonna continue. But if you leave here and go foreign, what happen now? Same thing, you're sure. But it's not gonna be the same. Over there you're gonna get a lot of process. So what you're gonna do? Eh?
We know the process.
You know, listen, for them over there is more dangerous right now.
We know the process.
Yeah? Because you know Jamaica is all natural. And when you go over stuff, in a natural. It's not everywhere. Come go over there and try, you know. You see a lot of fruit without seed. And that's worrying.
Right, they know they're not gonna happen.
But that's like 90% of all the fruits I'm over here.
Definitely no place is
Little shop. What's your name again?
Tasha.
Tasha. Young Tasha, young 19 guys. So I them say please come and check out this place. And I guess we'll see you more often up here. And we'll try the food definitely. To see what it's like. So we can't eat now because I know so many football. We're going to meet. So I got to take car, right? That is it. Tell them where to find you again.
Shop number 2, Lane Plaza, that's off Constant Spring Road.
Okay. So Lane
Living
Plaza.
Food and Juices.
And if they want to place their order to pick up,
You can call us at 876-857-7887.
that is it.
Yeah.
So call for your health. Yeah?
Yeah.
Even though you have the
Health is
wealth.
your wealth.
Yeah, even though you have the wealth, just call for the health, you know, the thing go there. Yes. Yes guys, so trust me, you have to check out that vegetarian place, you know. See, I got my juice here still, you know, it's all natural and everything, so it's good. It's very, very good. So you know what I'm saying, jellies are really full belly thing, you know, cause the jelly really full up my belly for sure, you know. That's it, that's it. One MC,
Yeah.
you know the thing though.
Fully active, you know, them don't do it, you know, so we have to do it, you know.
Yeah.
Make them see it, you see it? Yeah, man, the government, them a lapse.
So
We
you
have
have to go.
patrol in the road and them something, but we have to keep it active still, we have to help out the community, you know.
Yes, sir.
That is it, you know it go.
Which is
I remember a good life. Remember good. Tomorrow, you know.
Tomorrow. Yeah. All right. So basically guys, what's taking place there is like there's been some potholes, some very deep potholes. So they take it upon themselves, you know, to kind of patch it out, use stones, you know, and gravel just to throw inside the holes, you know, because they're the resident of the community, you know, so they decided to do that because as what they said, the government is taking forever, you know, to kind of, I think for the government or they say the MP for the area, you know, not doing their job to get it done. So they're taking it upon themselves, you know, to patch out the holes then, you know. So, you know, Jamaica full of so many potholes and patch holes, you know. So, you know, the thing goes already. With them obviously, it's not everything the government can do, you know, but at least some bigger heads can play some part, you know, to try to get rid of some of these holes, because that pothole always causes traffic here coming out of Seaview Garden, because the holes them is so deep, you know. So that's what really take place most of the time, you know. So I don't know, in Jamaica when they fix the holes them, it's like they don't fix it properly. So whenever it rains, like within a second everything is back out again, you know. So I don't know how deep they're doing all this marling and whatsoever they're doing to fix the road, you know. I'm not that genius on fixing roads, but whenever it rains in Jamaica, they fix the road today, if it rains tomorrow, it's back to the same pothole, That's why Jamaica full of so much potholes. So I don't know what's going on with the contractors whenever they're doing this, fixing up this road, you know, so-called. Yes guys, so today you know, I'm on the road here, you know, heading out. I'm gonna meet up a friend with mine as well too. She's a business owner. She owns her own business. Her name is Chun. You know, she owns her perfume business as well too, up in by you know, up by Downs, you know, where they play football. So I'm gonna take you up there, you know, and show you what she got. So if anyone watching is interested in buying any perfume, if you're here in Jamaica, want to buy some perfume to smell well good, you know, you can check her out. You can check her website out as well too. You can also find her on Instagram, you know. So I'm gonna head up there today, you know, while I'm on the road here to see what's taking place, you know. But today's been a bit rain on and rain off, you know, rain on, rain off, rain on, rain off. So you know the thing goes out whenever it's raining in Jamaica, on and off. So it's, let me say, it's stormy season, so we're getting some rain today, you know, but it's good now. Good. Guys, so I'm here, so it's on Redhills Road. So now I'm on Redhills Road here. Oh, here you got the Downs, up there you got the football. I'm here on Redhills Road. I'm here to meet a good friend of mine, Chun, who I was telling you about, who's also, she's a business owner that sells perfume and everything. So here we got Chun, you know, Chun, say hi. Hi. Okay guys, so this is Chun, you know, as I say, good friend of mine, you know, she owns her own perfume business. So we're here at Duns, which is on Redhills Road. You know, but Duns, I never know we have so many activity here, so many business place here. Because usually I go up there to play football in the night. But this is a total different ball game coming here, you know, to know that.
Let them know the address. It's 15 3/4 Redhills Road.
15 3/4
Redhills Road.
So you're at 15 3/4 Redhills Road, so you cannot miss it. So there's a, you got the flag there, it said Duns. So they have appliance in here as well too, right? Appliance, yes. Furniture, beds, everything. So you name it, everything sell in here. So it's my first time coming here in the day. They call me a night owl, you know. So we're gonna go up and see what Chun have in store for scent, you know. So if you feel like smelling good, if you're not smelling too good, you know, you can come here at Duns to come check it out. Alright. So I guess you on which floor you on? Third floor. So you can take this lift or the stairs?
No, I can take this.
So so what is this down here now? Electrical.
Everything electrical.
Oh, so Duns is known for electrical mostly, right?
Yeah. But the expand I got it so furniture, bathroom wear, construction, everything.
So that is where they let it to someone else?
No, they own everything.
They own everything?
Yeah, the only thing they don't own is the furniture store.
Oh, so this is what they own as well too?
Correct.
Kitchen, bathroom. I wonder if the price is reasonable though.
Of course they are.
Well,
The best in the business.
The best? Yeah. Guys, if you think they're the best in the business, please let me know. You know, about this class. We've known them for electrical, so. Oh, I can smell the scent.
Yes, we're known for that.
You smell the scent. Yes. Imagine, guys, when I'm going to football, this is where I walk, all the way here. On the stairs, all the way to the top. So I always see this place and I'm wondering, who's the one that owns this place, you know? Because I see some perfume that I've been through.
We're known for the scent. Most people, when they come up the stairs, they always say, "Oh, smells so good."
So, as I say, you can come check out the scents. And you also have an IG page as well,
yes,
right?
it's Chun Scents Official on Instagram. If you don't say official, it's not because there's a fake page.
Oh.
Yes.
So you have fake people that try impersonate what they're going on. So listen. So I'm going to tag the link, see you later. So give them the spelling of the IG.
It's CHUNSCENTS. Official. Let me do it again. CHUNSCENTS. Official.
So you know, imagine the first time me hear Chun, I think she was related to Chinese, you know. I hear Chun, you know, coming normally when you hear that. And you got that look as well to like you're mixed with them region, no? Now guys, so there's a sign there. Chun scents. Right, so you cannot go wrong. So she have a customer there stepping out. As I said, the scent would attract anyone to come and catch a fragrance. Wow.
Welcome.
Welcome. Why you know smell sweet? So if you're not beer for a man, you come in here that sweet scent to brush off on your same way, so you won't smell too bad. I joke, but I follow me. Yes. So here we have variety of different type of perfume, you know. Name that you never. So you have a website, Chun?
No website yet. We're working on it.
Oh, you're working on it.
Yeah. So we do gift packaging. Also, we're also on Gift Me. So if you want to get gift certs via cash or top up someone, you can go on Gift Me. Also the delivery and gift packaging. Or I said gift packaging already?
Yeah. So the Gift Me, where you find that?
Alright, so Gift Me is a website.
Oh, it's a website.
Yeah. So once you log on to their page, Chun Sense is on it.
Okay, okay. So it's like your partner with them, right? Give me.
Yeah.
So you have a barcode like? No.
You don't come to that barcode. Once you type in shop Give Me, it comes up.
Yes. So different perfume, various prices, right? I have a Jimmy Choo, and this is my favorite as well too. It's a Versace. Hola. Versace. So we have Versace.
So the Louis Vuitton too.
Look at Louis Vuitton, I could put in it on.
We carry Louis Vuitton, Joe Malone, MFK, Replica, Aqua di Parma,
Balenciaga.
Lilabo, our Comfort. Just some of the stuff we carry. Now we carry more fragrance from them.
So how long now is this Afro scent, Chun scent, sorry, is here
We're
in this?
11 years old. We've been at done
11?
We've been at done for 2 years now. We're 11 years old.
Wow, big baby. This is a very big baby store, 11 years old guys, you know. I would like that, you know. And this is really good as well, I like Coach.
Yes, that's one of our best sellers.
Coach, right? I got one as well too. You know, them really smell good. I'm a perfume guy, you know. I love my perfume, you know. And I don't know if you smell me when I walk in, but even though the scent is in there already. Let's look there. Can come in one. Can come in one. So here we are guys, we have different type, tag her, you know, different type and everything right here. So about a million, I don't see a million.
So, million now. I'm kind of encouraging people to stop wearing million. Million is like a community scent. I know your viewers going to keep me for saying that. So we'll sell it once a year because there's so many other fragrance you can get.
Yeah. Community scent, you know, million was 1 in a million when it just came out.
Exactly.
So now it's not 1 in a million anymore?
No, it's not.
It's not. I used to like it so much, you know. I used to like that so much, 1 in a million. So hello, so my bad manners, you know, my name is Kino.
Hello.
And you are?
Brittany.
So Brittany is one of your employees, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
and she's very camera shy like myself, so please do not put her on the spot.
But listen, you're not doing good so far because guys, if them say them camera shy and it's not showing, something is wrong. Like me camera shy, you know, because I'm not seeing it nowhere at all. Right, Brit? Right, Chun? Right. Nothing. But that name Chun boy. Chinese. Scandal. So this now scandal, does this cause a lot of problem?
Yes, because normally the girls when they're giving us the reviews and tell what the man them.
Yeah?
I would sell a lot of panty droppers here too.
Hey,
so you can
I was just gonna
we have panty drop off, we have work cologne, we have night cologne, dinner flex. But most of the guys in come here, they want panty droppers.
Imagine I was just gonna mention that because it's a saying here in Jamaica, yeah? certain perfume that the males wear, the gentleman them is called panty dropper, you know, or panty fall off, or panty drop, you know. So which one is the panty dropper now?
Alright, so the panty droppers are, this is a classic. We're selling this from 2018.
Stronger with you?
Yeah, both of them, Intensely and the classic. Spice Bomb Extreme. But matter of fact, all of the Spice Bombs have the same effect.
Wow.
Let me show you what else. So the ones I'm showing is the most popular ones right now, but they actually have a good effect. Versace Eros.
Yeah.
This
panty dropper too?
Yep. YSLY.
Panty dropper.
Yeah. And it don't matter which version you get. Or the toilet or the perfume. It don't matter.
So you hear that, guys. So gentlemen, if you're watching and you really
hold on, we're not done yet. We have more panty dropper for you over here. So this is my favorite, Mancera. We normally carry a wider range of Mancera, but the odd exclusive, this goes very, 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 very fast. And the Amber Fever.
Wow.
Yeah, so you don't want to wear what everybody have. You want to wear others.
Yes, sure.
So Montal too. So Montal and Mancera is the same family, but they're at war. For the females though, I highly recommend for the females who like it loud, the Rose Musk and the Intense. These two definitely come get whole heap of compliments.
Yeah. So is this the underpants dropper?
Yes, I like it. I like that.
So this is the underpants dropper. So you have the panty dropper and the underpants. So gentlemen, if you see a female, you know it's a long time. You have your eyes on her, you know, crush and everything. And you feel like you know win it by naturally. Just come in at the store and come get the panty dropper. Maybe it will save your day. You know, let's try it. You know, it really works.
It works.
Gentlemen, if anyone watching and it works for you, just tell me if it really, really works. You know, once you put it on, you say drop.
No, not.
You need some voodoo in that, man.
What a lot of persons need to understand. So with fragrance, they carry pheromones. So I'll get too deep when I put on a road. But it contributes.
Contribute?
Yeah, man.
Hey. Yo, tell me if that's correct, because I'm going to start with them one here, you know. But definitely I've got to try the panty dropper, you know. And then you have the underpants dropper as well too. So ladies, if you see a boy and my move too tough, you know, put it on that vein.
I wanted you to know too, for persons, a lot of females and males too, they have issues with them allergies and sinus, asthma stuff. We specialize in that. So if you have any of those problems, don't worry about it. Say, oh, I can't wear fragrance. But skin can manage it. We specialize in it. So we can tell you what not to wear and what to wear.
Okay, so you have a nice variety of stuff then that makes a lot of sense to the hormones. And that's good. And that's very, very good. So you say you deliver as well to only in Jamaica, or?
We used to deliver overseas, but we stopped, but only in Jamaica right now.
Only anywhere at all in Jamaica?
Anywhere, no matter where you are, we're going to find you.
Is there a fee, or?
Well, it depends on where you are. Yes, there's a fee.
Westmoreland?
Westmoreland was through Knoxford, so you paid the delivery fee.
Okay. Yeah. So anywhere at all is go through Knoxford then, from outside of Kingston?
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
So what's your driving distance? Where will you drive to deliver?
Everywhere.
Like, but you say you put it on Knoxford, that's the bus, right?
So, like outside. Like other parishes, like you said, Westmoreland.
Yeah, so Maypen, same thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
And your zip mail too.
Alright then. So business are going on, guys. Business are going on. Let me say,
I will accept cash, card, and bank transfer.
So you have a contact information?
Yes. It's 876-859-2222. We're open from Monday to Saturdays. Monday to Fridays, 9 to 6, and Saturdays is 10 to 6.
Okay.
And we close on Sundays only if it's like special holidays or sale open on a Sunday.
So it's 1876
859-2222.
and it's Chun Cent.
Yes.
Right, guys, let me say, let's support each other, help each other grow, you know. Like her, she's very ambitious. She's been trying this 11 years old, you know. A lot of people might try things and stop a long time, so I guess the perfume of her where she cannot leave the scent alone.
No, I really love it.
So she have to give herself that scent on the end of her name, Chun Cent. Right? Chun Cent. And Brittany over there. Brittany, give yourself a shout out. You have IG, Instagram, You want to give yourself a shout out?
Oh, thank you.
But I know them can come find you by Dunn's football, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So Bala, you come upstairs and you will see her. So anything for like test the body?
Of course. Alright, what am I gonna make a try today? Alright, since we're hyping up the Mancera,
Yeah.
let's make a try one of the Manceras.
So I'm to the dropper. You have the dropper them right now for test.
Yeah, but hold on now.
But now you pull
You have to-
anything, you know.
You have to tell me if you have any asthma allergy signs.
No. I'm healthy. Right through.
If you're not called other people them allergy.
No guys, I feel like that when you know say I'm very good all over. I'm healthy right through, you know. So remember I've been a vegetarian for how much years of my life. You know, the only thing I really have is sometimes a slight headache, but otherwise I am good along the line. Right? I'm good. But my life in here is very cozy, you know?
Yes, you try to make it comfortable. Next time when you come, we're going to have
A bigger
champagne and stuff.
what?
Yes.
Complimentary drinks?
Complimentary.
So even if you're not buying it, you can get champagne?
Exactly.
What? We're not
So
saying.
this one I'm gonna let you try. It's called Montel Arabian Tonka.
So is this one the dropper?
You going to me and smell it. It's one of our droppers, man. But please don't rub.
You be the camera lady for
Alright, no problem.
Please.
Let me spray some more on you. Please don't rub.
Don't rub. Oh.
No.
Smell good.
No one to slap you, man. You say step back?
Yeah, you know, step back. Just spray some on the clothes.
What you know?
And upon the hand alone. Sure. Yeah, they smell good. Really good. So why am I not for rub?
Because when you rub, it takes away from the initial notes that come with the scent.
Unusual.
Yeah, you want the fragrance to dry in your skin properly. After you bite, you can do whatever you want to.
Yes.
But I can show you one thing too. If you look on your hand, it's very glistening and shiny.
Yeah.
So that normally tells you that the cologne is very potent and it's going to give you a long longevity. So you give you enough hours.
So if you put this in your clothes and you wash, the next day it still smells, right? Touch it.
Well, that depends on your body chemistry also. And when you sweat, everybody else come in and said, Miss Sean more, something more, when we wash it. Guys, sometimes it's not much, you know.
Guys, I have to rub it on my clothes,
You like it?
No, my hand alone smell more, they smell all
I think you have to go purchase the one, you know.
Yes, the Montreal, definitely. From Paris, right?
Yes.
Paco Laban. So you see we have a new camera lady, Miss Chun, you know. So guys, as I say, I'm going to check out this and so I go on with this one. Right? I'm saying I can walk on the street and see who I think drop a knee.
Watch you
Hey then guys, I'm telling you, thank you so much for watching and please go and check out Miss Chun, you know. What do we call her, Miss Chun?
That's what everybody call me.
Because the name sound like it's from China or Japanese. Don't it break the attitude? Because when I hear Chun, I'm like, is she related to Chinese? Like, you're mixed, right?
What them say?
Well, you know you're mixed. Who you mixed with?
And you know, so I never do no homework about it. No, just Jamaican and that's it.
You just born and see yourself.
Yeah, I don't really check who mixed with it.
Guys, should ever check where she get the ear from, the complexion, not at all.
No, sir.
No research. So you don't ask your family, your great grand, you don't ask none of them. So so grandma, great grand, where is this DNA coming from? How far? You know, which part of China or Japan? Let me know. You know, which part? They say them mixed race. You know, white and black mix. You know, but you have a slight look, shiny look.
Human race.
Human race. Human race, guys. So what you say? Should I take this home? Smell good. Smell good. So tell them your IG again once more.
It's Chun Sense Official on Instagram, and it's CHUNSCENTS Official.
Okay. So guys, you will see our number running across the screen. You know, feel please to phone, but don't feel like you're gonna get through to her. It's the business phone you'll get to. Say if you have in your mind, say, oh, that call Chun because you think, oh, she look nice. No, you'll call the business line. So yeah, get stood up. Right? businessline only. Right, Brittany?
Right.
Right, yeah, Brittany got answer the phone. Where you want? And she won't be like that, you know, like, hello, good evening, how can I help? You know, welcome to Kingston, you know, so I'm gonna go with this one. So, that's the love dream tea, one tea. Is it?
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.